Welcome everyone to my new price prediction video presentation for Polygon cryptocurrency out here, looking for discovering what's happening at the end of the day. Why is it not moving strongly as a lot of you are expecting? And what's going on? So this is the price prediction for December 2023, aiming for clearing the waters and making sure that we get to the most important rational side of the market. Before we get into the topic, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you enjoy this type of materials. As well, we have some live trading videos. Actually, I posted this yesterday, $105,000 pure profits made on a trade. If you would like to be part of my trades, there is no prior fee. Only commission from the profits we achieve where we perform the trading for you through API trading permission. So you only handle trading permission and we perform the trading. And there is commission every 7 days. As well, there is the one-on-one coaching with me for the ones that are serious about this business and would like to take it to the next level. I'm going to explain these two things at the end of the conversation. Now, the discussion is going to go into Polygon one-day candlesticks. This is where we are with the charts, guys. I mean, Polygon is heavily delayed, one of the most delayed cryptocurrencies amongst the tops that we're dealing with. The delayed structure is not a problematic version of the situation. But what is an issue right here is that Polygon, with the current market rally that we just did with BTC breaking the 40 grand, we were not pushing as expected. At least back to the golden pocket right there. Polygon has missed that. So the increase we had basically from this major demand area along the way with 200 days, 50 days moving average supports. I mean, the volume you would have there and the strength you would have there of buying pressure should have generated a movement at least back to the 90 cents area, to that golden pocket, retesting the tops here, if not breaking above, like many other cryptocurrencies have done in this little movement generated by BTC. BTC breaks the tops, Polygon is not. Many other altcoins is following to break the tops, especially they actually reached not to their first as upcoming targets after the tops, but to the second upcoming targets, which would be this one for Polygon. So think about other cryptocurrencies have reached to that point in this rally that has been around in the past 48 hours, which is insane comparable to where Polygon is situated. Now, of course, we're not here to portray a bad-mouthing type of a technical analysis, but at the same time, if you join this video, if you watch this video in order to hear some numbers that are not happening, or if you want to see or hear things that are not happening, I'm not the kind of a YouTuber in person to tell you that, hey, this is going to go up to $200 by tomorrow. You know why? Because that's what you want. So I'm telling you the things that you want to hear. And if you are a holder or a trader, then I'm telling you all these things that you want to hear, and that's it. I don't care about. This way you're going to follow me, this way you're going to enjoy me, and this way you're going to deny all the other guys telling you the things that are not going to make you as much money as the numbers I'm going to tell you. So these things are, bullshit. Simply bullshit. Not going to see around. What's happening here is that we have not lost the reality of the major support and demands that we're dealing with here. I mean, we are not in a bad shape from that standpoint, but at the same time, certain things are still messing with Polygon. Number one thing is, people in this crypto community want to get into the cryptos that are most likely fresh on the markets and have a specific market structure that is allowing for the all-time breakout during the very near period, which is a crypto that has been launched in 2023, right? And it's not been part of any previous bull cycle. It has not been going through any form of a major all-time high generated in the past. So with this rally right here, they're aiming basically to achieve that, which is kind of a case with many cryptocurrencies, and I've seen the major enthusiasm into that part. It's right. You can sometimes make great money with that one, and it's good not to underestimate that kind of cryptocurrencies as well. Technology is progressing. There's different products out there, and there's different cryptocurrencies that are joining the market, which will take the spotlight. But the question is Polygon going to be outranked like that slowly and slowly by the new ones coming in? As I've seen community members dumping this one and moving into the other guys. I mean, chasing the pump is the worst thing you can do. Being greedy about your positions is the worst thing you can do. And if you get yourself caught out into a cryptocurrency that has not been performing, you need to wait it out until it performs. Because if you jump out of this, that will be the very moment it starts moving. That will be the very moment. If you're a trader like I'm since 2014, you have seen this thing hundreds of times. Every time I jump out of a crypto that didn't move, by the next day, I see double-digit increases on the positive side. It has been going on for a while like that. You know how this one looks like? Like you are out there at a casino and you're playing the roulette game. So you're gonna bet all the numbers except one number. You spin, and exactly that number comes in. This is how it works, guys. This is every time, unfortunately, how the markets are portrayed. You are sitting for weeks, 2 months in a crypto. You are tired, angry of seeing how the others are performing. You jump out of it. By the next week, it's pumping. So cryptocurrencies, like I said, they do have the nature of the market delayed form, which is not permitting basically for the whole package of cryptos to move at the same time in the same way. They go in categories. The market makers and exchanges are throwing their liquidity into a category of cryptos, making the pump out of those and then jumping to the next ones. Meanwhile, those are most likely sitting in a delayed form. So don't be sorry about Polygon. It has a lot to deliver, especially for the long term. And I'm simply gonna tell you, when it starts moving, this cryptocurrency is not disappointing anyone. 109% in 48 days, and we were not in a bullish rally. 91% in 27 days, so you cannot speak to me about being disappointed, because 91% on a 5x leverage is 400% on your margin. If you're not doing leverage, that's a choice. So not making 450% can be a choice. It's not basically a result of your incapability. No matter where are you located, there are basically ways to do leverage trading on derivatives market. There's exchanges that you can access with VPN. There's exchanges that you can go with no KYC. Simply ask the proper questions to the proper persons knowing this information. By the way, any information right there on my email or simply comments area. Like the video, subscribe. That's where we are at the moment. Polygon is having a situation where it has to hold with this moving average levels along the way with that demand area, including the ability for us to climb above the golden pocket, find support on it, and then push. But we don't push to the first target. We're going to push straight into the second target right there with a mixture of the heavy environment resistance, which we still didn't broke out. It is 627 days. You are still kept under that pressure. Get out of this, and we're going to talk about the bull market rally, which will push us into the double digits area above $10. But for the moment, we'll still need to fight with this little numbers out here that can be huge for our balances in the future. That's all on the topic. Once again, for those of you that care about trading, we have a no prior fee option. If you would like to join this, feel free to reach out, find out more, as well as the one-on-one coaching if you're serious about this business. If you would like to go through a coaching program one-on-one live with me, where I'll take you by hand and teach you how to trade, then check this video out and register now for more details. Have a good time, folks. By the way, you can schedule up a free call with me on Calendly and have a good time on the topic. We'll talk to you soon.